Alright, YouTubers, scrapping metal with John the Picker. I gotta get my truck loaded up with scrap metal. I'm gonna save them springs off that trampoline. What? We're gonna save the springs. Gotta get my truck loaded up with scrap metal. I'm gonna try to put a dent right here, get all this shit loaded in there, take it up to the scrapyard. We'll see what scrap prices are these days. Oh yeah. Got some dishwashers and shit I gotta rip the electric motors out of. All kinds of different stuff to scrap. We'll get the truck loaded up and I'll check back in with you. What? It's gonna rain today, it looks like. Look at the skies in the Picker hood. She rained last night. A little windy. A little wind action. Alright, YouTube, scrap load 1, check that out. Got it all loaded up. Gotta get up to the scrapyard, dump this crap off. I might do 2 loads today. Sun's peeking out. Thought it was gonna freaking rain. Thought it was gonna rain, but it turns out it's probably not, so I might take another load of scrap ski in. Put a little dent in it. What? Can finally see all my keyboards and chat. Bring drills up in there, you know, all look at all these computer shit I got, monitors, all the wiring, bunch of freaking keyboards. What? Shitload of monitors, grill tops up in there and everything. Yep, I gotta get this shit up to the scrapyard, dump it off, come back, grab some more shit. Oh yeah, gotta do what I can while I can. First stop to get some gasoline, $2.94 a gallon now at Old Myers. Scrapyard time, ladies and gentlemen, scrapyard time. Look at that pile. What? We're gonna back right up to it today. Got a lot of weight up this piece. Scrapyard. Very much little fuzzies. Friggin' scrap pile, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this shit all over there. There's the treadmill. Is that the treadmill? My shit's in there somewhere. Old Picker's only doing 1 load of scrap today, ladies and gentlemen. Truck's freaking overheating. I think I need a new thermostat or something. We need a new thermostat. The Picker mobile. Check gauge's light comes on and everything. Look at that. What? It's not good. Not good. Holy shit, man. She's pinned right out. Parked. Parked by the jail and shit. It sucks. Need a new thermostat. It's gotta be the problem, or the fan ain't kicking in or something. Something's not working right. Dropped a little bit. Scrapping metal with John the Picker. These are scrap prices in my neighborhood. For 780 pounds of metal, it's $140 a net ton. I got $54.60. I was going to take 2 loads of metal in today, but my truck started friggin' overheating. I need to get my thermostat fixed. And then I will be back in the scrapping game probably tomorrow. Tomorrow we will be back scrapping. Show you some of the shit that I got at the local garage sales. What? For 50 cents? I was buying it for scrap purposes. Camcorder parts in there. I figure there might be some gold. Got extra batteries, chargers for an old camcorder they had already tore down to 1,000,000 pieces. I believe it was VHS-C. Even got a tape in there, ladies and gentlemen. Got these 2 things for free. Friggin' tag blew off. Free. free at the local garage sale, 2 trash cans. I also got that dishwasher for free. Steel hose on that beast. And I bought all this shit. The whole box for 50 cents. 2 CD drives in there, they're all wet. DVD players, computers, flat screen, or laptop computers, I mean, all tore down. Looks like there's a Canon printer. All that shit's plated in gold, so I figured I'd buy it. Never know what you're gonna find. Maybe there's gonna be a CPU or some silver in there. It's probably silver right there. Probably some silver in there. Imagine there's gonna be some gold in there somewhere. I just gotta find it. What? Bought an old laptop for 10 cents. What that looks like today. Where the gold's at today. And there's gonna be gold on these beasts. Memory sticks. How are you gonna get that apart now? Yep, that's where the gold's gonna be anyway, right underneath this thing. I have a good feeling today.